In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Snapchat director mode not working. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat, then click on this drop down. Here you're going to find the option of director mode. In case it does not appear, you can try these steps. Close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Using an outdated version of Snapchat can sometimes cause features like director mode to malfunction or disappear. Next up, clear cache for the app. So close this, launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you're having the issue, the reason might be that director mode is not available right now in all the regions. You can use VPN. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for any VPN app, launch it and connect to any server where director mode is available. Once you are connected, you can launch Snapchat and access director mode. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.